In this video, let us explore the Member section in detail. In the Members tab, you can see your team's connection status and their shared services. You can invite new members using their email IDs. And multiple members can be invited at the same time. Each user is allowed to connect using two devices at the same time. Their device IP and their device name is shown on hover. Cloud icon implies the user is connected using Team VPN. If you are a developer, casting helps expose services running on your machine to members or anyone over the internet. Start by giving the service a friendly name and mention the port on which the service is running. Once added, Team URL lets you broadcast the service availability to the room members, and public URL makes the service accessible by anyone over the internet. Click Start Casting to generate a unique URL. This URL remains the same as long as the service is not removed, so you can use it as webhooks or API endpoints. If you are an admin, you can remove members or view members' past connection logs and data usage.